Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully's day 10 of Vlogtober. I don't have much for you today. We've been so busy prepping for our paint job, but we had friends over for soup night and we didn't even have time to stop and film making it. We were rushing to get it done, but it is such a delicious soup, so I wanted to share it with you, and I just have a few clips that I was able to get, and I'll also show you all of the paint supplies we got for our project. Scott went to Lowe's today and picked up a few supplies for us to get started tomorrow morning. We have rollers and we're using flat paint and we're going to try to do it in one coat. So it was recommended that we use the 1/2" nap. We're going to give that a try. It's thicker. And then these are the trim rollers to go alongside the trim. I like to use those. And then Scott got this for himself in case he needs to help me with the trim. Usually he rolls and I do the trim, but we have a lot of trim, so if he's helping, he thought maybe he would like this little handy paint cup. Oh, and it has a magnetic brush holder. We'll have to test that out. I'm curious. I might like that. Okay, and then this is to go on the 1 gallon paint can, and it'll have like a spout on there, so that'll be nice. We already had the trays. And then this is a spout for the 5 gallon buckets. We bought 10 gallons of paint, and we can just, you know, put this on the 5 gallon bucket and then take it off and use it on the other 5 gallon bucket. And then this is a tool to open the 5 gallon bucket. I didn't know we needed that. I don't think I've ever used the 5 gallon bucket of paint. And then I like how everything matches because he got the green, let's see, what is this called? Paint guide to use on the edges. So the green, all the green matches. Isn't that cute? And then we got some sticks. Okay, here's our paint. We are ready to go. Scott went and picked this up today and on his lunch break, and we ended up going with Lowe's Valspar paint, mainly because we are under a tight deadline with our carpet being installed next week, and if we run out of paint or need something, we can just run to Lowe's. So this is a good paint. I've used it before. Benjamin Moore is my absolute favorite though. But I hear a lot of good things about people getting good paint from like Home Depot or Lowe's, so we went with that, and they did match the Simply White color for us, so I can let you know how close that is to the sample that we have, and I don't expect to have any problems because in the past they have matched it really well for me. And we're gonna give this a try. It's a lot of paint right there. I've actually never used a 5 gallon bucket, and we have 10 gallons. And then just to prove how much I love Benjamin Moore paint, I just wanted to show you, this is our little stash over here, and pretty much everything that I have loved has been from Benjamin Moore. They have great service and great paint, and they can help you with colors, and I really like it. I'm sure Lowe's and Home Depot are great too, but Benjamin Moore is my favorite. And then, like I said, we just decided to do the Valspar just because it's a unique situation. So I'll let you know how it goes. We're ready to go. This is the soup we made. Our friend Melissa gave us this recipe. It's a fail-proof crock pot recipe. It's a really good one that'll warm you up in the cool weather. We put the first 6 ingredients in the crock pot, but we skipped the bacon bits and we left the skins on the potatoes. We cook it on high for 3.5 hours, then put the kale and whipping cream mixed with the flour in and cook that on high for another 30 to 45 minutes. And Scott made us some yummy cheesy bread. He took the brioche sliced bread from Kroger and he topped it with shredded mozzarella and cheddar, and it was delicious. Everyone loved it. And our friends brought the salad, and we enjoyed a nice cozy meal together on a Friday evening. And then of course y'all know we're starting our painting project first thing Saturday morning, so it was good to relax with friends on Friday night. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching day 10. It was a short one, but I'm sure we'll have some longer videos coming up during Vlogtober. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.